Welcome to Saving America. This is your host, Dr. David D. Shine, and our first segment is In the News. But let's start with a discussion of language. Folks, they are regressives. They are not progressives. Let's get our language straight. Communism has failed throughout the world. Of course, the biggest experiment in communism was the brutal dictatorship of the USSR, that, of course, fell apart in the late 80s due to financial failure. They could not make communism work, and I think that should have been the end of it, as Karl Marx should have been buried in his basement and left alone rather than revived. And we've got the next batch of fools doing this stuff. China only becomes a world power due to its participation in capitalism. People misunderstand. They are a one political party country, but basically up to recently, they have enjoyed economic success and the ability to feed their people because of adopting capitalist principles. Now, Xi has taken a recent hard turn similar to Mao's hard turn that killed millions and ruined the economy for a good decade or two. And he seems to be repeating a mistake that Mao made. So we'll see how that all goes. But let's talk about the term progressive. It was applied to Teddy Roosevelt around 1900, 1902. And it was certainly never intended for this current pack of deranged commies that are running around Washington. Roosevelt brought the term forward because he was committed to bringing America into the 20th century. And remember, prior to the 20th century, America was largely an agrarian economy. And so the move into the further part of the Industrial Revolution was an extremely important, and that was progress, progressives. It's not regressive policies moving the country into a very bad direction. This is Dr. David D. Shine. Thank you so much for joining us.